sings, little bird way up high, soaring through the clouds across the sky. Sing a sweet song, chirp, chirp, cheer. Every morning we love to hear. Fly, little bird, oh fly. Touch the sun, kiss the sky. Fly, little bird, oh fly. Never coming down from way up high. Nestled snug within the trees, whispering stories in the breeze. Feathers glowing in the light, shining bright through day and night. Fly, little bird, oh fly. Touch the sun, kiss the sky. Fly, little bird, oh fly. Never coming down from way up high. In your world so vast and grand, take us with you hand in hand. Dreams and wishes soaring free, in your sky where we long to be. Fly, little bird, oh fly. Touch the sun, kiss the sky. Fly, little bird, oh fly. Never coming down from way up high. Never coming down from way up high.